When I used this DIY woodworking method, my friends laughed at me. But when I built over hundreds of projects and furniture, they shut up. And when you find out what this DIY woodworking method is, you'll understand why. Because it provides done-for-you plans with step-by-step blueprints and easy-to-follow instructions, allowing you to build any project without any woodworking experience or expensive tools. So if you're struggling to DIY any woodworking project or furniture, I'm going to tell you a secret the big woodworking industry doesn't want you to know. A top woodworking craftsman, Ted McGrath, has revealed a breakthrough woodworking method. After spending the last 20 years building countless creations, he found that there's an easy method that anyone can use to build any woodworking projects, but most people don't know about it. This woodworking method allows him to build over 16,000 types of projects that you can imagine, without any fancy woodworking skills, a large workshop, expensive tools, or even hiring someone to do. But luckily for you, Ted McGrath just unveiled his woodworking instruction that you can begin to apply, which means you can now easily use Ted's woodworking method to build over 16,000 projects or furniture, regardless of your age or woodworking experience. Even a 70-year-old beginner without any woodworking experience can now easily DIY any projects from home. So, I encourage you to stop everything you're doing and tap the button below right now to watch a short, free presentation that will show you everything you need to know. If thousands of people just like you have already used Ted's woodworking method to easily build any difficult projects or furniture, then it can work for you too. Just imagine discovering the joy and satisfaction of easily building anything out of wood with your hands, instead of paying for overpriced furniture or needing a large workshop or expensive tools. You'll not only finish projects like a master craftsman, but also quicker and far easier than you've ever dreamed possible. Best of all, Ted will draft new plans monthly, and you'll get to download them at no cost. But hurry, this presentation only leaves open for a limited number of people, so it's uncertain how long it will remain available. So watch it now, before it's too late. Trust me, you won't regret it. Ted McGrath's woodworking method is the only thing that has helped me to easily DIY any project, and it can work for you too.